What if I told you that one decision today could determine your family's financial security for decades to come? Imagine waking up one day, knowing that no matter what happens, your loved ones will never struggle financially. This is the power of life insurance, yet so many people ignore it until it's too late. Life insurance isn't just a policy. It's a financial safety net, a future-proof plan, and sometimes, a hidden investment tool that many fail to take advantage of. But with so many different policies, terms, and hidden clauses, how do you choose the right one? By the end of this video, you will understand life insurance like never before and be able to make the best decision for you and your family. What is life insurance? Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to provide a payout, known as the death benefit, to your beneficiaries when you pass away. This money can be used for anything: funeral costs, paying off debts, or ensuring your children's education. But here's where it gets interesting. Life insurance isn't just about death. It's about financial planning, tax benefits, and even wealth building, depending on the type of policy you choose. Types of life insurance. There are two major types of life insurance: term life and permanent life insurance. Let's break them down so you don't fall for the wrong one. Term life insurance. This is the most straightforward and affordable type of life insurance. You choose a term, usually 10, 20, or 30 years, and pay a fixed premium during that period. If you pass away within the term, your beneficiaries get paid. If you outlive the term, the policy expires, and there's no payout. Who is it for? Term life insurance is perfect for young families, new homeowners, and anyone who wants maximum coverage at the lowest cost. But here's the catch. Once the term expires, you either lose coverage or have to renew it at a much higher rate. That's where permanent life insurance comes in. Permanent life insurance. Unlike term life, permanent life insurance lasts your entire lifetime, as long as you keep paying the premiums. It also includes a cash value component that grows over time. There are three major types of permanent life insurance. Whole life insurance offers guaranteed premiums, a fixed death benefit, and a cash value that grows at a guaranteed rate. It's like a forced savings plan with life coverage. Universal life insurance provides more flexibility, allowing you to adjust your premiums and death benefits over time. Variable life insurance allows you to invest the cash value in stocks and bonds, which can grow significantly but also come with risks. Permanent life insurance is best for those looking for lifelong coverage, investment opportunities, or estate planning benefits. How much life insurance do you need? Here's where most people get stuck. Do you get $100,000 in coverage? $1 million? The rule of thumb is to get 10 to 15 times your annual income, but your specific needs depend on your debts, lifestyle, and future financial goals. Ask yourself, if you were gone tomorrow, how much money would your family need to survive? Consider mortgage payments, children's education, daily expenses, and future plans. Common myths about life insurance. Many people avoid life insurance because they believe in myths that simply aren't true. Let's debunk some of the biggest ones. Life insurance is too expensive. Term life policies can cost as little as a cup of coffee per day. I don't need it because I'm young. The younger you are, the cheaper your policy will be. Waiting only increases costs. My employer's insurance is enough. Most employer-provided policies only cover 1 to 2 times your salary, which isn't nearly enough. Stay-at-home parents don't need life insurance. If a stay-at-home parent passes away, the cost of childcare, household help, and lost future income can be overwhelming. How to choose the right life insurance policy? Now that you understand life insurance, how do you choose the best policy? Follow these steps. Assess your needs, calculate how much coverage you need. Compare quotes, don't settle for the first offer. Get multiple quotes from different providers. Check the company's reputation, look at financial ratings and customer reviews. Understand the terms, make sure you fully understand the premium structure, coverage length, and cash value options. Consult an expert, speak with a financial advisor to make sure you're making the best decision. Here's the hard truth. Life insurance isn't for you. It's for the people you leave behind. Imagine your loved ones struggling financially while grieving your loss, simply because you didn't take action today. Don't wait until it's too late. Now, it's your turn. Do you already have a life insurance policy? If not, what's stopping you? Comment below, and let's discuss. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your financial future starts now.